It is time for... This is how to reset your weather radio. These are pictures on people resetting it. So what you need to do is, hold on a sec. I'm just doing something weird. Okay, so what you need to do is remove the batteries from your weather radio. So, first you need to remove the batteries. So wait a sec. Now you have to unplug the cord from your weather radio. And then, while holding the weather button, plug it back in. And until it says reset, let it go. And it'll say welcome. Now, reset. So what you need to reset is all of these. If you want to change your own settings without resetting, hit the menu button and hit the arrows to go to different settings. And if you want to select the setting, just hit the select button. If you want to go out of the settings without resetting it, just click the menu button again. Bye! So I hope you liked this video. Check out, if you want to learn more on how to use a weather radio, go check out the other video, weather radio tutorial.